I'm Dr. Ann Shifty. Paleo Detox Protein has been one of my best tools personally in my toolbox, and then also to help my patients. It was formulated to help us deal with environmental pollutants that we're exposed to every day, the air pollution, the pesticides in our food, the quality of our water. We're exposed continuously, and so we need to be able to keep up with that. It also helps us to manage stress, and it was formulated to make sure that we have the missing components that I often see in my patients that are really depleted nutrients from our food supply not being adequate. It also helps us to digest, because that's a very important part of detoxification, and everything's put together in the best combination. So it's just 140 calories. You can add to it and use it as a meal, or you can use it as a snack. It's got 17 grams of protein and 11 grams of carbs, so it's nicely weighted for more of a protein-based diet. It's got all the essential vitamins like A, C, D, and the main B vitamins and vitamin E. The right form of folic acid, the 5-methyl tetrahydrofolate, some pantothenic acid. It's also got the minerals that we need, so phosphorus, iodine, zinc, selenium, and manganese, chromium, molybdenum, and vanadium. So a lot of these are really, really critical for our body to manage inflammation and to help us to detoxify. It's got some vegetables. We always can be getting more veggies in, so it's got some of the key ones: spinach, beets, carrots, and then a few fruits that are very high in the polyphenols. And then it's got a pea protein base and a good amount of fiber, because we need to keep the fiber going to be able to detoxify. It's loaded with things that help us to detoxify better, so we don't have to worry about our environmental toxins accumulating in our bodies, because it supports both phase 1, the initial part of detoxification, and phase 2, plus gives us a lot of immune system support to help the inflammation stay down in our bodies. So some of the crucial elements that it has are things like glycine and taurine. We need a lot of amino acids to clear things out. Milk thistle and NAC and choline to really support the liver. Some of the antioxidants like green tea and MSM, and then inositol, glutathione, and calcium D-glucarate. I recommend using the Paleo Detox daily so that you have the foundational nutrients to help your body keep up with the environmental toxins that we're exposed to every day. And the most important thing about this product is that it doesn't have inflammatory ingredients like soy, casein, and whey. It tastes great, it's easy to use, and it can really make a difference in how you feel and make it easy for you to implement these important changes into your daily routine. It really helps me to get this information to more people if you click like, share it with a friend, and comment below. If you subscribe to my channel, make sure to click the bell to receive notifications. Remember, when you nourish your body and it's no longer burdened by toxicity, stress, or infection, extraordinary healing can happen.